Hey everyone, welcome back to Alberto's Adventures. In this video I'll do a quick room tour of the Encore King Suite. So this is the entrance, and upon entry there's this sticker to make sure that you know that it's been cleaned thoroughly. No one's been in here since the cleaning, so everything's safe and sanitized. So here's the entryway. All on, low, all off for all lighting, and then privacy and service if you need anything from room service or anything like that. So upon entering, we have this nice hallway here, this little walkway, and in this room to the right we have the bathroom. Everyone, so we have dual sinks, a nice soaking tub, separate shower, and then that I guess extra zoomed in vanity mirror that lights up. There we go. Mirror, television, remote's up here for the television, and then we have bathrobes and the toilet's in a separate room here, so that's always a plus. So back out to the hallway. You have this gigantic mirror. It's huge. Check out your outfit before you head out. And on the opposite side you have this closet. So you have your ironing board, luggage rack, extra drawers, safe, and some hangers, some more storage space up there. So let's go ahead and close this up. Okay, and upon entry, here is the television. And this is, again, 745 square feet. So you have like your bedroom area here, king bed. And here you have phone and a little touch screen which lets you control everything. Lights, temperature, alarm, the drapes. And we have USB and regular electrical outlets. Again, the king size bed. Other side has just the additional outlets as well. Charge your cell phones or whatever you have. And you can extend this out. A little extra space to put things on. Drawers. Television. This is a little mini bar area. The ever so famous overpriced hotel room snacks. They have what you need to know due to the pandemic, obviously different regulations and guidelines that they have. Sanitizing wipes. Have 2 masks and some sanitizer. And then down here is where you would have your mini bar. Here it's sealed for your protection, so if you want to get anything you just have to call in-room dining so they can bring that to you. And the ice bucket, some plastic disposable cups. So there's that. And then here we go into the living area. We have a desk, we have an Alexa. Then we have another telephone, more electrical outlets right in here. That's the ceiling to floor windows, floor to ceiling, which I'll show the view in a little bit. Okay, I turned all the lights off really quick just so I can show you guys the view of this room. So here it is. We got the backside view of the Encore. There you can see the up and coming brand new Resort World Hotel and Casino. Alexa, turn on all the lights. It's a nice little sitting area. Their Win magazine covered in plastic. Safety. This whole wall is mirror, same as with the bedroom area. And then here's a television. And if you're sitting here wanting to watch TV, you can just swivel this over and there you go. Watch TV from here. So that is it. Again, this is the Encore King Suite, 745 square feet here at the Win Encore property. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.